You're welcome. You're welcome. Nice, amazing. Scrambled eggs and cheese, hash browns, toast, and pancake. One blueberry pancake. Let's go. Yeah, some nice pancake things. Get some nice cheesy egg. It's the cheese full. Ew. Why does this thing taste so good? I didn't even put seasoning on it. Like they already put something in it. That egg is nice and fluffy. Look at all that cheese in there. That's beautiful. Let's mix it with the pancake. It sounds like somebody taking themselves out over there. Wow. That pancake is so fluffy. The eggs is fluffy. Everything tastes so good. Well, the eggs and the pancakes taste so good. I haven't touched the tips yet. Steak tips. Man, really good. Alright, we're gonna go in for the steak tips. Oh, that feels kind of tough right there. Oh man, here we go. Wow. Yeah, that's pretty tough. It takes a lot of chewing in this steak. Your teeth is weak. Don't order this. The good thing is the waffles, the pancakes, and the eggs is good. So. Let me rephrase that. The steak tips are good. They're just too tough. I'm gonna ask for medium well. Every time I ask for medium well, no matter what restaurant I've been to so far, except for Chili's, they want to bring out well done. And it's so tough. So tough. I'm gonna eat all of this because I don't think I'm gonna do no lunch today. I'll eat all of this. Skip lunch and then have a decent dinner. Yeah? I don't know where we're gonna go for dinner today. Let's put some of that butter on there. Put that steak on there. Egg.
Single leg.
That butter on that steak is good too. Okay. Cool with it.